In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can make a consistent return on your investments, whichever the way the market is moving. When trading manually, sure, sometimes you can make a 500% profit, but it's such a volatile and unpredictable market that you can just as easily lose a fortune. Now, this doesn't happen at AlgosOne, and let's find out why. With AlgosOne app, you are always earning, and profits are steady. Our AI has a proven track record of always meeting profit targets, no matter what's happening to the markets. We manage this with next-generation machine learning algorithms that are fed huge datasets from a massive variety of data sources. Our AI goes long and short 24/7 on a diverse range of financial markets, including crypto, forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and bonds. Meanwhile, the system is learning from experience, improving its predictive accuracy and minimizing risks with every new dataset and every single trade. So it's no surprise that our returns are not only the highest in the industry, but they're consistent, no matter it's a bear or a bull market. In addition to USD accounts, AlgosOne lets crypto holders keep trading account balances in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. This means that your money is working triple time. First of all, AlgosOne's AI-based algorithms are earning you a sizable profit in trading. Secondly, as the prices of these popular and established coins appreciate, your capital will grow. Thirdly, this will mean that the value of your AlgosOne portfolio will increase too, which will raise your trading tier and boost your potential profits. Let's say you initially deposited one Bitcoin when it was worth $40,000. Then the price of Bitcoin rose to $60,000. At this point, your account is worth $60,000 plus all the profits the AI has made for you. Another way we make sure that you're always earning your promised profits while also offering opportunities to make more is with our choice of risk profiles, which you can set in the trade settings section of the dashboard. The low risk profile means higher success rate from high probability trades and lower exposure, but it involves smaller positions being opened on each trade. The standard risk profile means a higher risk of losing trades, but larger positions get opened on lower risk positions, so you earn a bigger profit on winning trades. This can mean you end the year with a profit percentage at the higher end of the predicted profit bracket. Regardless of which risk profile you choose, your annual profits will still be in the predicted range of your trading tier, so you're guaranteed a consistent and predictable return. Our main goal is to give you a profitable and secure trading experience. Our job is to make earning profits as easy and effortless as possible, without requiring you to do any kind of coding, chart analysis, or trading. And we are really good at it. Our fully regulated app is a top earner, always meeting guaranteed profit targets. AlgosOne generates higher profit percentages than any other competitor and achieves a higher overall trade success ratio. Our development team is passionate about AI. They are continuously working to push the envelope, optimize AlgosOne's algorithm, and develop new tools and features. It's being upgraded all the time with the latest deep learning capabilities. And we are always increasing the variety and quality of our market data sources, as well as improving the algorithm's ability to accurately identify risks and high probability trades. As a result, we are consistently hitting our ROI predictions by the close of the contract, though your win ratio can fluctuate along the way. Sometimes it's a bit lower and sometimes it's a bit higher, though it always balances out over the long term, ensuring your account will make the profits guaranteed by your trading tier. Stick with us, and we're only gonna get better. Thanks for using AlgosOne app. We appreciate you choosing us and are working hard to make sure you earn the best possible profit in bull or a bear market. Want to start earning more? Make a deposit today. Also, to keep up to date on AlgosOne news, features, upgrades, and promotions, please like and subscribe to our social channels. We would also love to hear your feedback and want to know what coins you would love us to add support for on the app. Share your ideas in the comment section below.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now